Welcome back to Diamond Brands Academy. I'm your instructor and the Diamond Leader, Diamond Blue. Today, we're venturing into the dynamic world of AI and social media marketing. From deep analytics to hyper-targeted advertising, AI tools are transforming how brands engage with their audience, ensuring every post, tweet, and ad hits its mark. Understanding your audience is the cornerstone of any successful marketing strategy. AI supercharges this understanding by analyzing social media data in real time. It tracks engagement patterns, sentiment analysis, and trending topics, offering insights that go beyond traditional metrics. This deep dive into data allows marketers to craft content that resonates, engages, and converts. The first tool is Sprout Social, which can be used for comprehensive engagement analytics and trend spotting. The next one is BuzzSumo, which is ideal for content research and performance analysis. Last but not least, we have Crimson Hexagon. It offers advanced sentiment analysis
and audience insights.
AI doesn't stop at analysis. It reinvents how we approach advertising. By leveraging machine learning, AI predicts user behavior, enabling marketers to create targeted ad campaigns with precision. This means your ads reach the people most likely to engage with your brand, which maximizes ROI and reduces ad spend waste. Personalization at scale was once a dream. With AI, it's today's reality. Embracing AI in social media marketing isn't just about choosing the right tools. It's about integrating these tools into your strategy for maximum impact. Start by setting clear objectives for your AI initiatives, whether it's improving customer insights, increasing engagement, or driving conversions. Experiment with AI-powered ad campaigns using A/B testing to refine your approach. And always, keep the human element in mind. AI is there to enhance creativity, not replace it. The fusion of AI and social media marketing is not just changing the game. It's creating a new one with AI. We have the opportunity to connect with our audience in more meaningful, impactful ways. The future of social media marketing is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your social media marketing with AI? Begin your journey today and transform your social media presence into an engagement powerhouse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of digital marketing. Together, let's lead the way in innovative marketing strategies.